So Mustafa's fork oil seal, not Mustafa's, it was Mustafa's bike's fork oil seal got ruptured. He's going to fix that, and we're all geared up and ready now to leave. But we can't till he doesn't come back. Finally leaving Srinagar. It is apparently one of the hottest summers they've had here, where the weather has reached 34-35. It's 12:40 right now. So we are only getting left in batches, and hence that much traffic. There's also a lot of military movement. I don't think we're going to get to Amritsar today. If we cross Udhampur only, it'll be great. Look at the traffic. Oh my god, there's a lot of traffic. Kashmir Valley ends here or something like that. Okay, what? There's a truck facing us. Back into civilization. And the weather suddenly has become nice and cold, cloudy. We are in some small bypass town. They moved us out of the main highway into this area. What the fuck did you do? Why are you doing this? There are two big tunnels coming up here too. It didn't seem like it was open. Very small village. I have no idea why they've diverted all traffic on the internal route. But of course, if the military has done it, they have the reasoning. But oh, that is a much easier route than this is. This is very exhausting. I want to stop also, but I can't because there's no place And I don't want to stop in a very crowded place as well. It always attracts people. And right now I'm in no mood of doing that. This road really reminds me of that stretch. Oh, I'm getting low. Spaced out. Manali, Chandigarh stretch. Absolutely tiring. Stopped here for some lunch. Dam View Dhaba. We didn't see no dam, but oh, the Rajma Chawal. Ati Sundar. Very, very good food, very fresh food. And after that ride, this was much needed. We were very, very low on energy. कहाँ जाएगा? And we're at a dead stop. I can't even feel my face right now. Oh, give me a nice gap. Oh good lord, people are getting down over their cars. This is not going to be fun. Had a quick stop here. Had some nice fresh juice. Still a few hundred kilometers to go, and this traffic and the heat is just not. Oh my god, can't sit on this anymore, not today at least. There's still about 250 odd kilometers to go. This is a still highway, god knows what the and we have activated night mode, which means nothing. We stopped for a chai and changed our shades. And we have about 120 kilometers to go. I can continuously feel something in my armor or in my helmet or some shit. Arey yaar. When in doubt, throttle it out.
Saturday.
Friday.
Date
First July.
So 1st of July. Almost at 11:10 we finally reached Amritsar, exactly at the hotel we started, and here the trip comes to an end.
Finally, the trip comes to an end.
Finally, इतनी खुशी
I
हो
know.
रही है.
But the good part is we don't have to gear up and we don't have to
Wash
load
our
our
clothes,
luggage.
load
We don't have
and
to
load.
wash. Bad part is we don't get to
But
rest.
yeah, hell of a trip, hell of an adventure. 4 punches.
Only
Only.
Only Seat. No VERYYY and Ralco punctures.
Yeah.
So you know which good tire you have to get for your Zanskar trip.
Just get a new tire.
Yeah,
Just get a new tire. That's it. That's all you
Yeah.
have to do. You don't have to bloody worry about getting punctures if you have a new tire.
There are no 17, 18 punches happening now.
Yeah.
Nope.
It was irreasonable. Like it was crazy to have that number of punctures, but get new tires and get new brake pads. That's all you need.